Hello friends, welcome to GK channel. Today I am going to talk about how SpaceX Dragon capsule successfully returned to Earth and rehabilitation process for astronauts. On 18th March 2025, the SpaceX Dragon capsule successfully returned to Earth, bringing back NASA astronauts Sunita, Suni, Williams and Barry, Butch, Wilmore, along with fellow astronaut Nick Hague and Roscosmos cosmonaut Alexander Gorbanov. The capsule splashed down off the coast of Tallahassee, Florida, at approximately 5:57 p.m. Williams and Wilmore had an extended stay aboard the International Space Station, ISS, remaining in orbit for 9 months due to technical issues with their original return spacecraft. Their mission, initially planned for a shorter duration, was prolonged to ensure their safe return. The astronauts' return marks the successful completion of the SpaceX Crew 9 mission, highlighting the ongoing collaboration between NASA, SpaceX, and international space agencies in maintaining and operating the ISS. Now, very important factor is that the rehabilitation process for astronauts. The rehabilitation process for astronauts returning from the International Space Station, ISS, is crucial because prolonged exposure to microgravity affects their bodies in several ways, including muscle atrophy, bone density loss, fluid redistribution, and balance disorders. The process typically involves the following phases. Immediate post-return recovery, first 24 to 48 hours. Astronauts undergo medical checkups to assess cardiovascular function, neurological response, and overall health. They receive fluids and balanced meals to help restore normal body hydration and mineral levels. After months in microgravity, standing and walking become difficult. Some astronauts experience dizziness and balance issues due to vestibular system changes. Short-term rehabilitation, first few weeks. Exercises focus on regaining muscle strength, joint flexibility, and bone density. Training helps astronauts readapt to Earth's gravity and regain balance. Helps the heart and blood vessels adjust back to normal circulation patterns. Ensures there are no issues related to coordination, reaction time, and cognitive function. Long-term rehabilitation, months to a year. Strength training, resistance exercises, and aerobic workouts continue to restore muscle and bone health. Regular health checkups assess any long-term effects such as bone loss or vision problems. Space missions can be mentally challenging, so astronauts may receive psychological counseling to help them reintegrate into everyday life. There are few challenges in rehabilitation. It can take months to regain lost bone density. Astronauts must rebuild their muscles gradually. Spaceflight can weaken the immune system, requiring careful monitoring. Some astronauts experience dizziness and motion sickness for weeks. Finally, the rehabilitation process is essential for ensuring astronauts return to normal physical and mental health after space missions. While short-duration missions may require a few weeks of recovery, long-duration missions, example 6 months on the ISS, can take up to a year for full recovery. Research in this area helps improve countermeasures for future long-term space exploration, including missions to Mars. Hope you enjoyed this video. We request you to subscribe our GK channel and share with your friends and others. Thanks for watching this video. Next, we come with new videos for you. Till then, take care.